Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert no symbol in Google Sheets. So get started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show that insert no symbol. Now, go into the insert menu option. Now click for a drawing option. Then click for a shape. Now select from the shape option. Then click for a no symbol. Then create a no symbol. That is. Then symbol is then sense color. Now click for a fill color option. Then insertion color. In the border color. Now select from the color. Then click for save and close option. That is. Then you show insert no symbol in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.